By now, you've probably already bought your kids new clothes and supplies for school, taken first day pictures, and arranged a pickup and drop-off schedule. But have you thought about your back-to-school plans? From August 19th through the 23rd, you can save 10% on our Certified Natural Health Professional and Certified Holistic Health Practitioner programs beginning September 2nd, or our Certified Master Iridologist, Certified Master Herbalist, and Certified Nutritional Consultant programs beginning on September 30th. Plus, we've got your school spirit wear covered with 10% off Trinity merchandise and free shipping on orders over $75. Enroll now at Trinity School of Natural Health to save with the Back to School sale and take the first step toward achieving your dreams, supporting your community, and nurturing your family holistically. Visit trinityschool.org or call 800-428-0408 to learn more and enroll.